The purpose of this slide is just to show you where to find the pens when you are on full screen mode. So if I click the view screens and put it on full screen, then you get this little box down here, and under the options button you will find your pens, and you can select the different pens. And use them. I will open it again, and the magic pen for some reason is organized here right at the bottom. That's because they created the control plus number for shortcuts, and they must have decided that the magic pen gets number 9, but anyway it is here. And then you can use all the features that we looked at, like the zooming in, make it larger, and you can move it around the screen as well, like the focusing on an area or the disappearing writing.